Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to a very special video, for a video that I'm very excited to be filming. Obviously, yeah, I can't wait. But I've bought some winning boxing gloves. I've wanted a pair of winning gloves for many years now, but I could never justify the actual price of them, nor afford them. However, I finally think I've got it. Well, I hope I've got a pair and I haven't been scammed, because I did get these on eBay. But I haven't even opened them yet. I've just got home off of a week vacation and they're here waiting for me. So I am going to be unboxing these winning boxing gloves. So let's get straight into it. So what I should have, if I haven't been scammed, is a pair of winning MS-600 training gloves in blue. And I just can't wait. I can't wait to try it. I've heard so many good things about winning. Everybody says they are the holy grail of boxing gloves, if you would. So I'm going to try not to use my knife if I can. But we're going to see what we've got here. And yeah, my first time ever trying on winning boxing gloves as well. So let's see what we got. Alright, so here's the gloves. They came in styrofoam packaging. And they look legit. They definitely do. Let's see what we've got. So, alright, so here we have our winning boxing gloves. MS-600 in blue. Yeah. Nice. Taking a look at the gloves. They're really, really nicely made. These are the 16 ounces. Let's try them on. Yeah. Really nice fit. Untied loose ends. Got that winning style thin thumb. Yeah, really nice. That hand compartment is really nice. Nice padding in them as well. Yeah. Got that winning triple sewn patch. Got that thinner thumb. Sorry, I'm just taking them in at the moment. Yeah, they're really comfortable. Definitely. They have like quite a little bit of room in the hand compartment. But yeah, all in all, really, really nice. I'm not going to actually be reviewing them yet, but I will be doing a review on them soon enough. I also got a pair of, if I can show you guys this, to go with them. Bear with me. I got a pair of blue strap and seals to go with them as well. Yeah, blue strap and seals to go with the winnings. And yeah, but that's pretty much it. We'll take a quick look at the gloves and then I'll be back eventually with my review of them. They feel quite light for 16 ounce, but yeah, give me a second guys and I'll be right back. So here we've got the gloves. As you can see, you've got the double stitching on the end. You've got the winning badges here. Really nice stitching. You've got that again. Really, really neat stitching here. Double stitching as well. Yeah, all in all, just really nice. Comfortable grip bar. You've got that thinner thumb that winning is known for. And yeah, thank you for watching this little video of me unboxing my winning MS-600s, 16 ounce on the grip bar there. And I'll see you guys in a while with my full review of this pair of gloves. So thank you all for watching. Catch you guys in the next one. For now, guys, take care. Bye bye.